Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to turn off autoplay videos on Facebook using your PC. If you're tired of videos playing automatically while scrolling, don't worry. This quick tutorial will help you disable them in no time. First, open your web browser and navigate to Facebook's website by typing facebook.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, log in to your account if you haven't already. Next, look at the top right corner of your Facebook homepage. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Settings and Privacy and then click on Settings. Now you're in the Settings menu. On the left-hand side, scroll down and find the option labeled Accessibility. Click on it to proceed. Once inside the Accessibility section, locate the Video and Motion settings. Next to this option, you'll see a button labeled View. Click it to access more options. Finally, under the Autoplay Videos section, you'll see an option to turn autoplay off. Simply select Off and you're all set. From now on, videos will no longer play automatically as you scroll through your feed. And that's it. You've successfully disabled autoplay videos on Facebook using your PC. This simple change can make your browsing experience smoother and more enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share this guide with anyone who might find it helpful.